Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life.
Hey, sweet friends. Welcome back to day 2 of hashtag Trio of Treasures 2025 challenge. Today's prompt is Washi of Wonders, and here's what we're making. There's also a surprise at the end of this video, so make sure to stay with me all the way through. Let's start with this fun little invention I came up with while driving. I needed a way to store and flip through my washi tabs, and boom, the idea hit. And I'll break down the how I put it all together in just a few. Next, I also worked on some clusters, washi clusters, and I'm using the Washi of Wonders freebie for today. Let's get to it. So here are some of these supplies that we'll be using, and if you happen to have those double-sided circles from way back, take them out because they'll come in super handy. Next, you're going to grab your ruler and just begin to shred the washi tape. Super easy, super basic, not too complicated. And now you're going to affix the double-sided circle onto the die cut circle that you'll be needing, and then you're going to layer the washi tape of choice. Next, you're going to trim around the washi tape. Then, of course, add some trim or lace or whatever you'd like to the circle. And I'm just giving you a quick little tip here, another option that you can do. And now we're going to put together the washi cluster, if you will. And here I'm showing you the different embellishments that I'm using. Those die cut flowers are from my stash, and some cheesecloth that I love to use, which is already colored, and that ISC pen nib that I stamped on digital paper and then embossed it with some clear EP, and I'm adding that little word that I also embossed on some paper. Then I'm taking some of the washi tape that you'll see in a little bit, and I'm attaching it to that tag, and then I use double-sided tape on the back, and I'm attaching it to that little holder, if you will. Next up, let's create a washi cluster. This one's super intuitive and great for layering. I used scraps from Washi of Wonders printable and some additional washis that are for the Museful Makers members. And I'm showing you how I made that little hinge flip tab from just scraps of paper that I have in my stash. Next, I reduced the size of these washi sheets and pages, and I added 1/4 of an inch double-sided tape, and these sheets are available to the Museful Makers members. Then you'll add an eyelet and your bead chain, and there you go. I did stamp the word friendship on the second washi tab, and I hope you will grab the Washi of Wonders freebie now on Ko-Fi. It's full of soft grungy strips, one labeled Trio of Treasures, and it's perfect for today's prompt. And if you're a member of the Museful Makers tier, the printable templates for this flip tab holder is waiting for you, along with some additional pages. And that's it for day 2. Don't forget to tag me, visit Kiki and Sonia, and check out the Trio Blossoms kit if you haven't yet. Day 3 is coming up Saturday, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Take care, everyone.